Hello and welcome to our next segment. We got some figures today from Ami. Highly recommend them. Again, this is the July art, I think? Not sure. I think this is from last month, so yeah. We got this in the other box we also had, so very good art, as always. Miko, always best. Alright. We've got Kirby and metaknight. Heck yeah. I wanted Kirby for the longest freaking time, and they finally re-released him. And metaknight, so I went ahead and got both, because I also love metaknight. And these are both the Nendoroids. Kirby! Yep, there they are. Kirby and metaknight. Oh look, they have like special boxes now. Before they didn't have, I don't think, they had like the Kirby logo here, and then I'm guessing that says Kirby, but oh, yay. I'm so excited to box these boys. Here are the sides. And the backs. Very cute. Can't wait. Can't freaking wait. Ha ha ha. So, first I think we're gonna unbox Kirby here. So excited to have both these boys together. Kirby's so innocent. I know, I love him so much. I love him so much. Alright, let me tape here. But yeah, I've been wanting the Kirby Nendoroid for quite a while. And they have, I think they have a couple Kirby Nendoroids. I believe there's also an Ice Kirby Nendoroid, but I wanted this one specifically. Ooh, the inside is looking nice so far. Aww. Look, the inside is so cute. Oh my god. Let me take this one out. If I can. So I've said this before, but the inside of Nendoroid boxes can be used as like displays for the figure. Can I live in there? And this one's so cute! Look at that! Oh my god, that is fantastic. 10 out of 10 right there. Amazing. We'll put him on that. I don't think metaknight has insert like that. Maybe. We'll see. Comes with his little booklet of instructions and whatnot. But we're not worried about that. Oh. So here's the bottom section. He's got his sword hat and then all of his faceplates. Whenever it's dark outside, you can just tape the box to the window, yeah. And Kirby can live in there. Oh, that's right, they don't have tape on these. Let me mute this. Alright, so the next section has his base, his fire hat. Use your steps. So here's his fire hat. It's got a little freaking bolt in there. Interesting. He also comes with Kirby himself. What is this? Oh whoa, it's got like a rubber padding on the inside of his other hand. Oh, this hand can hold stuff. Okay. So here's the Nendoroid himself. Oh, he's so cute! Ah! Oh my god. Oh, so is it magnetized? Oh my god, it is! Dude, that's so cool! Oh. So he's actually just a freaking ball. He's just a magnet ball. Oh my god, that's so awesome! I didn't know about that. And they made him out of really smooth material, unlike all the other Nendoroids. Ooh, getting this off is difficult. Let me look at his other faceplates. I'm guessing these are also magnetized. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, so that's the inside of the faceplate. Oh, so it... There we go. Okay, so for the Kirby Nendoroid, you just have to twist it, and it comes off. Okay, I'm glad I didn't keep pulling. Jeez. It's awesome, dude. So yeah, all of his little faceplates, they just screw on, basically. That's so awesome. Where'd your arms go? And then, yeah, you just screw it back on. Oh. Oh, this is an awesome Nendoroid so far. So yeah, his feet just slap on there. Oh my god, I love it. Dude, that's so cool. That's such a great idea. Alright. So enough of that for a second. So here's his sword. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh my god. Let's put that on. So it goes in this hand. Just, oh, it's so easy too. Oh my god, dude, this Nendoroid is 10 out of 10. I think this is my favorite Nendoroid I've ever had so far. Yeah, Bothala doesn't pop up in chat, yeah. I decided that would be best. So it's not constantly, you know, on screen if other people aren't. Oh, okay. So he has a little... That's where his base goes at the back. It looks like they also... Oops. For the packaging, they put a little peg so that he can actually stay, because he's, you know, a round ball in the packaging. That's cool. Heck yeah. Oh my god. This is my favorite Nendoroid so far. Oh, and so that means that these caps just... Oh, dude, this is awesome. He needs a wand. I'll put the wand on him in a second. Oh my god, I love this Nendoroid. And seriously, the material he's made from, it's so smooth and it feels so nice. Oh my god. Alright. I just love that it's all magnetic. Alright, there's his wand. Oh my god, this is so awesome. If you're a fan of Kirby, I highly recommend this figure. Cute and bald at the same time. Alright, here he is. His fire hat, and then I'm guessing he holds the fire? I'm guessing he holds the fire. Or not. Let me see. Oh, so... Let me actually open the base. Dude, I am so happy with this Nendoroid. This is seriously the best one. So I think his fireball goes on a stand. Yep. So it goes on the small stand it comes with. Alright, let's put Kirby on here. Oh. Oh, okay, it goes in at an angle. Stand goes in at an angle. Okay. And it does damage very quickly. I don't think you can see it, but the little white parts around the hole there, it is very easy to damage. So So he goes something like... Not Kirby's hole! Oh no! Ooh. Oh, this is interesting. So, like, you can have him, like, spit out the fire. This isn't a great example, but... Wait. So you can have him spit out the fire, and of course it'd probably be better with one of his other faces. That's super cool. 10 out of fucking 10. I'm gonna play with this fucking figure all the fucking time. I'm gonna have to leave this box out. Oh man, Meta Knight's probably the same way. Oh man. I need to figure out how exactly he sits on this and whatnot. Oh, there goes my audio again. It's been so bad lately, I don't know what the issue is. Alright. Alright. Yay! He's so cute. Alright, let me put the rest of this away for now. Let's see, probably keep this little bag so I can put the little thing in there. It's almost better than Trog. What? I'm so confused. What, how cute Kirby is? Goes like that. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, let me put this boy away and I'll unbox Meta Knight. Oh, goes this way. This is so fucking awesome, guys. Alright, let me mute it because I have to pop these. Oh, Kirby cuter than Trog? I don't know, he might also agree with that though. Alright, I'm gonna keep that out for now. Just get you back in here. I'll deal with that after the stream. Alright. Let's do Meta Knight here. Alright. Heck yeah. Super excited. God, I love what they did with Kirby. I did not think it was going to be magnetic at all. Of course he would, but I don't. Not his decision. I don't know. I mean, your decision is your own. His decision is his own. Oh, it looks like he does have a special insert as well. This one's also cool. Let's pop this one out. I don't want to rip the cardboard though. Come on. 669. Yeah, his is also really cool. He's got his ship in the background. But like, if I think Flint is cute, but he doesn't think he's too— oh, I got you. But yeah, his is pretty cool too. I think I definitely prefer Kirby's though. So yeah, here's both of them side by side. Here's Meta Knight's. Here's Kirby's. I think I like Kirby's more. But this one is also very good for Meta Knight. Dude, that's so awesome. So yeah, Kirby is number 544 when it comes to Nendoroids, and Meta Knight here is 669, so good for him. Ah! Sorry. That also scared me a little bit. Let me move the mic back, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna pop this again. Alright, switch music. I would like to not get copywritten on YouTube, but probably will anyway. Alright. Have Kirby sucking metaknight? Wait, not again! Ah! I mean, I know there's a dojin of that out there somewhere. So this is all gonna come off, but here's the first layer. Very nice. He's got his cape and everything. Let's take him out. Oh, he's also a magnetic ball. Yes. Yes. Heck yeah. Take his sword out. He definitely needs his sword. You definitely gotta do that. His cape, his wings. Oh my god, I'm so fucking happy with these. Alright, here's the bottom one. Looks like it comes with his eyes. He doesn't have full face plates, it looks like. Wait, does he have anything under this? Oh, interesting. Oh my god, these are so cool. Huh, okay. Yeah, that is what it means, yeah. So he has a sword slash. Here's his stand parts. Oh, he comes with a sword holding hand. And his other eyes. Oh, it looks like, so both of his other eyes, are just looking different directions. He doesn't have any other expressions, really. So I probably won't worry about that. Alright, so let's take metaknight apart. Oh, this is so good, dude. Wait, so does this come off? How do I change the eyes? This is all in Japanese, so I'm gonna have to figure this out. Oh, here we go. There's an English side. Fuck yeah. Assemble as shown. So does this just pop off? It does! Ah, there we go. There we go. So here's Kirby's face. Or, I'm sorry, not Kirby's face, Meta-Knight's face. I'm sad he doesn't have his actual face underneath. But, whatever. Because he's basically just a Kirby, if you don't know. He's whatever species Kirby is, basically. So, yeah, it looks like there's a little section here, you just pop it off. Bam. It's not creepy at all, and then you can put another eye on there. However, I'm gonna keep the regular one on. And this just pops back on. Figures, literally. Alright, there we go. So I don't really have to change anything with him with that. Alright. Let's put his feet back on. It's so cool. They are figurines, yeah. That's so cool. I love that they're magnetic, dude. Alright, so looks like I can have his sword in either hand. I don't know which one he usually does. This one it looks like. His right hand. He's right-handed. So we're gonna switch out his right hand. Oh shit! His joint came out. Whoops! His joint fucking came out, I think. Or no, is that how it's supposed to be? Oh, I think it is. Maybe? No, because there's a joint in this hand. Okay. Let's just pop that joint out of here. Nendoroids! This joint is actually supposed to stay in this hand, but thankfully it's really easy. Just pop back in. Bam! Alright, so this goes in here. Very nice, very nice. I think I have that right. Yeah. Okay. So then his sword just goes into his hand, like so. Now he's got his sword. Arthritis is hard on metaknight. Got our boy pretty bad, didn't it? Yeah. So yeah, I definitely wanted to have a sword, so we'll put his other hand away. Alright, so let me take that off so I don't move it around too much. So it looks like he can either have just his cape on, which hooks to the back pretty easily. Just his cape. It looks like you can't have both the wings and the cape on. No, you can't. Okay. So it's either one or the other. So I'm gonna take his cape off. Just goes in the back there. And we're gonna put his wings on, which also have joints in them. And you gotta put them in at the right angle. Oh. There you go. So yeah, his wings have joints, so they can move a lot of different directions, whatever you want. Fuck yeah, dude. Ooh, he's a little back heavy with his wings on. There we go. Okay. We got it. We're gonna put his cape away here. Ooh, looks like it's on the bottom. Alright. And then let's bring his stand out. It doesn't matter. And usually with Nendoroids, and I'm saying all this stuff for Trog, just in case. Usually Nendoroids come with extra joints just in case you break one or you lose one, so you want to keep those. Those can be used for whatever. I'm guessing it's an extra wing joint and an extra hand joint, basically. Alright, so here's his base. And then he comes with all these different parts. Wow. Wow, that's a bunch of different parts. I've never seen that many parts for an Nendoroid base. Oh, okay. So this square base here is to help hold up the sword slash he has, because that actually goes off the base, as shown here. Right there. So that's cool. I'm not gonna put his sword swing on right now, but so he just needs this basic one, because I'm not gonna put anything else on him right now. Alright, so I don't know if that's gonna fit. Wait. Interesting. Am I missing something? Let me see what we have. Oh, okay. So he requires two pieces of the base to stand. Interesting. Maybe it's because he's so back heavy. Okay. Okay. Wow. I've never seen this before. This is uncharted lands for me. Does it go like that? That doesn't make sense. Oh, this goes in the hole. Okay. This goes in his back. There we go. Okay, so this extra little piece he has for the base actually goes in his back. This, like, straight one inch. And then that goes in here. No? Sorry, this is... I've never seen something like this before. See how those go together. This has to be... It's not small enough though. Huh. Odd. Oop. Can that just go in here? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So for this figure, I didn't even realize. So on this joint that it comes with, the K joint, the little section pops off and you keep that in metaknight, and then you hook the actual stand into that. There we go. Okay. There goes my audio again, seriously? Why is it happening so much? Alright. So let's get him in there first. Let's see if we can straighten him up a little bit. There we go. Alright, so there they are together. Meta Knight and Kirby! Heck yeah, these are my favorite Nendoroids. Oh my god, they did such a great job with these! Alright, let me put all these parts away real quick. Oh my god. But yeah, if you guys like Kirby, I highly recommend freaking the Nendoroid Kirby figures. Both Meta Knight and Kirby are fantastic. Obviously, Kirby has a little more customization, but Meta Knight is just also great. If you like Meta Knight like me, I highly recommend. But yeah, I think that's it for this segment of figure unboxings. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.